Hello everyone, welcome to day 9 of SAT Math Prep. My name is Dr. Jide from Advantage Tutoring. Today's question says, if the system of linear equations above has no solution and k is a constant, what's the value of k? So we have these two equations up here. Now, what is the formula for a linear equation? Given by what? Y equals what? Mx plus c, right? So let's do something first. Let's first write these two equations in this form, all right? Because it's a linear equation, so let's write it in the linear equation format, all right? So this, let me start with the first one. 3 over 4x minus 1 over 2y equals 12. Now I can multiply through by 4, all right, to make things easier for me. I have if I multiply here by 4, that gives me, so let me do 4 times 3 over 4x minus 4 times 1 over 2y equals 12 times 4. So this gives me 3x, right? Negative 2y equals to 48, okay? Then I can go further because I want to make it like y equals mx plus c, right? So I go negative 2y equals 48, negative 3x, y equals 48 divided by negative 2 minus 3x divided by negative 2. So this becomes negative 24 plus 3 over 2x. Or 3 over 2x minus 24. Okay, to make it like mx plus c. So m here is 3 over 2 and c is negative 24. All right, now let's do the second one. We have, so let me divide that. Okay, so we have kx minus 2y equals 22. So isolate y, 22. So let me do that. Let me do minus kx plus 22. Okay. Then y equals to negative kx divided by negative 2 plus 22 divided by negative 2. So y equals k over 2x minus 11, right? So what did we do? For the two equations, we made it in the form of the standard linear equation y equals mx plus c, all right? Now, the next thing we need to know is the question says, if the system of linear equations above has no solution. You see, what does that mean? They are both parallel lines, all right? So they go like this. They are both parallel lines. Now, if they are both two parallel lines, they have no solution. And parallel lines on the same graph, they have the same slope. All right, they have the same slope. What does that mean? They have the same m. So if these are two parallel lines, because they have no solution, they are parallel lines, they have no solution, and their slopes are the same. So what does that mean? It means this is the slope for this one, and this is the slope for this one, right? So it means k over 2 equals 3 over 2. Okay, so what does that mean? So what is k here now? K equals 3. You see, so the key to understanding this question is he says if the system of linear equations above have no solution. When they have no solution, they are two parallel lines. If they had a solution, they will have intersected. All right, but because they have no solution, they are both parallel lines on the same graph. And two parallel lines on the same graph, what does that mean? They have the same slope. So we found the slope for this one was k over 2. The slope for this one is 3 over 2. So they are parallel lines. They have the same slope. We just equate the m's together. All right. K over 2 equals 3 over 2. So 2 cancels 2. K equals 3. All right. Thank you so much for joining me on day 9. If you have an issue with this question, leave a comment in the comment section and I'll get back to you, or send me an email. All right. Also, make sure you subscribe and turn on your notifications for subsequent videos. I'll see you in day 10. Thank you.